Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is today article. Top Russian USA official set to begin Ukraine talk in Riyadh. The talk will primarily focus on restoring the entire complex of US-Russian relation as well as preparing possible talks on the Ukrainian settlement or organizing a meeting between President Trump and Putin, say the Kremlin. Working closely from left US Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov. Associate Press. Top Russian official will hold talks with USA counterparts on restoring ties, negotiating the peaceful settlement to the war in Ukraine, and preparing a meeting between Russian President Vladimir Putin and USA President Donald Trump. The Kremlin said on Monday. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov said Russian Foreign Minister said Sergei Lavrov and Mr. Putin Foreign Affairs Advisor Yuri Yashukov will fly to the Saudi capital later in date to take part in the talks set for Tuesday. US Secretary of the State Marco Rubio will lead the USA delegation. Mr. Trump invoiced Steve Witkoff told the Fox News on Sunday that he and National Security Advisor Mike Waltz also will take part in the talks. Mr. Pesvo said that talks will be primarily focused on restoring the entire complex of US-Russia relations as well as preparing possible talk on the Ukrainian settlement on organizing a meeting of the two presidents. Speaking to press person from the UAE on Monday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said his country was not take part in talk this week, adding that they will yield no results. The talk follows last week's telephone call between Mr. Trump and Mr. Putin. Hope for progress. Speaking on Fox News channel Sunday morning future program, Mr. Witkoff said he and Mr. Walz will be having meeting at the direction of the president and hope to make some really good progress with regard to Russia Ukraine. In his TV interview, Mr. Witkoff did not directly respond to a question about whether Ukraine would have to give up a significant portion of its territory as part of any negotiated settlement. Those are details, and I am not dismissive of the details that are important, but I think the beginning here is trust building. It is getting everybody to understand that this war does not belong continuing, that it should be end. That's what the president has directed us to do, he said. So this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet tomorrow. Jai Hind.